Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can add FAQ for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets and one of them is FAQ one. So click here on sign up for free and you can create an account. When you're gonna create an account, click here on login. When you're gonna create login, you will see here applications and you want to write here FAQ. Okay, now we have it here. Let's create a widget. And now you can choose like according, category, simple. I like this one, or like drop down. Yeah, I like this one. So let's just continue with the template. Now question categories, all questions, and you can easily edit all questions. Am I a god? Yes, of course. We are all a stardust, which is true. You are everything around you. You are a drop in the ocean, but the whole ocean is with you, within you. Never forget that. Find strength in that realization that you are everything, but at the same time you are nothing. Beautiful. Yeah, that's like Alan Watts Taoism in that. Yeah, and let's continue. Layout, you can change like list. I like this accordion, and you can also change the background color. Now just click here save. When you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan and you need to choose between the light version, which is for free, that's like 200 views, or go with the basic, that's like $5, or Air application basic pack, that's like $15. You can really choose what you like. So when you have it, let's go with the light version. I recommend you checking out like all the application L-Site has. If you like some, you can buy them, you know how it works. Let's go to our site, add, and let's click here on HTML. Enter the code. And voila, here we got it. So I will just make it bigger, look at it. And if you like insert this FAQ for your site, let's preview it. Voila, this is perfect. Am I a god? Yes, of course. We are all a stardust. You are everything around you. You are a drop in the ocean, but the whole ocean is within you. Never forget that. Find strength in that realization that you are everything, but at the same time you are nothing. What this means is that you came out of nothing. That before... Okay, let me turn camera. I need to explain it to you. Before you were born, right? You were coming out of nothing, and after you die you go to nothing. It's like really simple, and you don't honestly care about that because you didn't care what was here before you were born. So, but I don't know even how to explain, but this is like such a freedom in your actions then, that it's, you know, it's okay to risk things, it's okay to fail, it's okay because it doesn't really matter. I know that, oh my god, okay, so I can do bad things. No. It's completely good to be a good person, to be a virtuous, how they say it in Stoicism. But this realization is really important, that you can just let go. And I recommend checking out Wim Hof guided meditation. Check it out. I mean, guided breathing. Check it out. It's really perfect. Check it out for the evening, for the morning. It will work wonders for you. If it doesn't, okay guys, if it doesn't work really well for you, if you test it out for 1 week, the Wim Hof method breathing, and it's bad for you, you can come here to the comments and say that I'm lunatic, I'm crazy guy. You can do it, but we will see who will laugh last. So thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye guys.